right, Moo-moo, inside. Good girl. Go to the back. Good girl. Alright, well, we've got the girls and we're gonna go explore a little bit more of the slabs and see what we can find. Bye! Alright, well, we picked up a couple more people and we're headed to explore.
It's not Girls' Day anymore. Here you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Put those under your shirt.
No, don't eat them.
No, really?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, put them under your shirt. There, well, no.
If you put them under your shirt, you can eat these, not me.
The sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So we've come here to the Slabs Library, which is open 24 hours. At least that's what it says. I'm not sure. Yo ho ho, it's a pirate's life for me. Did you find any cool and interesting books?
No.
No.
But I found a show that my mom used to watch.
Oh,
Flip or flop.
that's not good reading material, ma'am.
I know.
Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool?
Ooh, Taylor Swift.
Really? You're in the library and all you can find is Taylor Swift?
Excellent. I'm Andrew. I'm the head librarian here. We're a pretty simple operation. We're a free library. We don't require any library cards. There's no due dates, no late fees. I really am serious. We operate and maintain the space 100% based on donations. If you do feel so inclined, you can try right here. We also have a list of you got any questions? Don't hesitate to
Cool, I think. We've seen the movies. I like it. You found any more Hannah Montana? I like this one. Victorious! Is that a brother or...
They have a ton of books, don't they?
Too loud in here?
I don't do vampire stuff.
Let me know next time you want to hang out, okay? I'll be here, and both you ladies, I'm curious. I can just really propose. Growing up as a female who's attractive in sales.
I do is complicated, isn't it?
Huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so I've got one in my car. Can I bring it down and donate it?
Just one?
I've just got one. It's got like two swaps.
Oh, an audiobook.
Yeah, I've got an
Oh,
audiobook.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I've got one of this
I
CD.
yes. We do have quite a few people who
I've almost done on that one, so I'll bring that one down and I'll take it.
yeah, we have some people who go on like bike tours and stuff like that, so they can't like ride a bike and read a physical book at the same time. Yeah. So yeah.
But that's what I mean. A lot of people want to get people.
Yeah. I got sick of looking at
Blue wasn't even its own color for a while. I can't remember when they changed it. No. It was a different shade of green. It was what blue was. Blue was like the most.
but I don't believe that.
And if you don't take care of it, it passes away.
Oh, it sleeps?
Oh!
We're here in West Satan. Actually, East Jesus is right behind. They're kind of together. There doesn't seem to be much here in West Satan, besides the scary skeleton man here. House of Spools. And there's the House of Spools. It's pretty cool. It's just those spools with mirrors glued all over it. It's pretty neat looking. I really like that. That's really beautifully done. Yeah, the mirrors all over that was really well done. It's really pretty.
Sorry!
Well, there is not much here in West Satan at all. Nothing at all, just that. Pet cemetery. So this isn't creepy at all. I guess this is where the people at the slabs bury their pets if they pass away. Yeah, a little morbid, but anyways, I thought I'd share it with you. Rest in peace. Here lies the best dog, Pocahontas. So I'm not gonna spend too much time here. It's sweet, but a little sad, definitely. Don't you think, girl?
It's too sad for me, I'm not.
Yeah, so. All right, I'm done.
Over there.
Does it? It's pretty far?
Yeah, look back over there.
Oh, yeah,
See where all
wow.
the rock gardens are?
Yeah.
A lot of people just started just putting rocks over it.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you back at base camp. Ooh, grilled cheese. Community grilled cheese. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, oh, that was good. Very buttery. Hey, did y'all just come in?
Yeah, we just rolled in.
Awesome. How long are you gonna be here for?
About 3 or 4 days.
Oh, cool.
I watched a lot of Kung Fu theater when I was little.
Yeah. Broken rock helps her.
Butterfly.
Ooh, a present. Food is always a good present. Thanks, Colleen. It looks good. I'll come sit with you. All right, well, I'm gonna grab my plate of food. Looks yummy. Vegetarian pad thai with rice. So I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna go join her and we're just gonna go eat. It's getting close to dark time. Ooh, I am full. Well, I had pad thai with Colleen, and then probably 30 minutes later, Dana and the family invited me to have some street tacos. Anyways, I'm gonna go check and see what's going on. So Randy and his friend that just got here today, they were in the red Jeep that you saw earlier, are gonna have a fire tonight, so I'm gonna go see what they're up to. Come here. Come here. Where's the moo-moo? Where's the moo-moo nuts? You gonna get it?
Moo-moo. Come on, long time no see.
Wow, that's a big fire going on there. Yeah. It's like, pick me up. I need a lap. I need a lap. Who did the fire pit?
Oh, that was already here.
Oh, was it? Wow, that's a pretty massive, huge.
And then we
fire
just
pit.
built our block around it.
Oh yeah, the wind block.
And I made deer
Oh.
stew. I made, what else did I make? Chili,
Upside down.
pineapple cake.
Ooh, that sounds really good. Look at the three circle of the dogs chasing each other. They look like little bunnies. Get it. Get it. Get it. What about you, Sydney? Huh? You're not going to join them? There you go. Dogs that play. This is what they do at night. Well, it's been a long day. I'm going to call it a night. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love everyone out there. Bye.